Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever looked at your TradingView charts and wished you could switch that military-style 24-hour clock over to a more familiar 12-hour AM/PM time, you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm walking you step by step through how to change the time format on TradingView from 24-hour to good old 12-hour time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have those chart timestamps looking just the way you like, easier to read and less confusing if you're used to the 12-hour format. Let's get started right away. First, go ahead and open up TradingView either in your web browser or your desktop app, whichever you typically use. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you've never noticed, TradingView sometimes sets the clock to the 24-hour format by default, which is helpful for some traders but can trip you up if you're more comfortable with AM and PM times. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top for the menu labeled Products. Give that a click. It's like the main menu that holds all the doors to different TradingView features. This is where you can jump into charts, screeners, and lots more. Now you'll see a few different options, but what we want is your grid view, the main charting screen where you analyze your favorite stocks, cryptos, or currencies. If you already have a chart open, you're in the right place. Here's a neat trick: right-click anywhere inside the grid view. Don't click on the price axis, don't click on a tool or indicator, just find a nice, open spot right in the chart area and right-click your mouse. This will bring up a handy shortcut menu with lots of interactive options. From this menu, look for the Settings option, go ahead and select that. Now this window might look a bit busy, but don't worry, each option here just controls how your chart looks and behaves, nothing you can break. Take your time to familiarize yourself with these settings, they're super useful for customizing your setup down the road. Next, you'll see a few tabs at the side or along the top depending on your device. Find the one that says Scales and Lines. Go ahead and click into that. Think of this section as the place where you adjust how numbers, time, and lines appear all around your charts, super handy if you're all about clarity. Now here's the main event. Inside the Scales and Lines settings, you'll spot an option for time format. By default, this might show 24 hours, which gives you times like 1300 or 2200. If that leaves you mentally converting back to AM or PM each time, it can really slow you down. Click the dropdown or the selector and switch it over to 12 hours. Now you'll see times like 1:00 PM instead of 13:00, which is much friendlier for a lot of us. Once you've made that selection, don't forget to hit OK at the bottom of the settings window to lock in your changes. If you simply close the window, your new preference might not save, so be sure to hit that button. After a quick moment, your chart's time axis will update. Just like that, everything reads in 12-hour format. And that's all it takes. In just a few clicks, you've made TradingView work the way you want, so you can read your charts without any extra mental math. If you've got any questions, maybe about customizing other parts of TradingView, or if you run into any issues, drop a comment down below. I check them regularly and I'm always happy to help out. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical guides just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.